In this video, I'll show you how to generate videos from text in Kling AI step by step. First, open Kling AI and sign in to your account. From the main dashboard, go to the video generation section and select the text-to-video option. Now you need to write a prompt describing the video you want to create. Your prompt should explain the subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. For example, instead of writing only "a car driving," you can write a more detailed instruction such as "a realistic sports car driving through a modern city at night, cinematic lighting." Wet roads reflecting the city lights, smooth tracking camera, realistic motion. Once your prompt is ready, review the available generation settings. Choose the options that match your desired video style and quality, then start generating the video. Kling AI will process your text and create a video based on your instructions. Wait for the generation to finish, and then preview the result. When reviewing the video, check whether the subject looks correct, the movement is natural, and the camera behaves the way you described. Also check the background, lighting, and overall realism. If the result isn't what you expected, improve the prompt. You can add more details or change specific instructions about the action, camera movement, or environment.